Elon Musk recently announced groundbreaking progress on Tesla's humanoid robot Optimus, revealing that it can now independently navigate 95% of complex environments and react within 20 milliseconds. The company plans to scale production to 10,000 Optimus Generation 3 units by 2025, leveraging Tesla's AI infrastructure and manufacturing expertise. This next-gen robot builds on advancements from Tesla's self-driving technology, using neural networks to predict movements rather than merely reacting. For instance, when walking downstairs, Optimus anticipates balance shifts 3 steps ahead, adjusting joint stiffness in milliseconds to avoid falls. The robot's physical capabilities have seen major upgrades. Its hands now feature 22 degrees of freedom, doubling the dexterity of earlier models. Tactile sensors allow it to handle fragile objects like raw eggs or thread needles with 0.1 mm precision, while upgraded actuators enable seamless transitions between tasks such as gripping a cold carton and a hot frying pan. Mobility improvements include traversing 45-degree slopes and uneven terrain like mulch-covered hills, achieved through bio-inspired ankle joints that mimic human proprioception. Cost reduction remains central to Tesla's strategy. By sharing 78% of components with Tesla vehicles and scaling production of its 4,680 battery cells, the company aims to slash manufacturing expenses. Elon Musk targets a consumer price below $20,000, undercutting competitors like Boston Dynamics' $2 million Atlas robot. Tesla also plans subscription-based AI services for specialized functions, such as eldercare protocols or tutoring modules, creating recurring revenue stream. Real-world testing demonstrates Optimus's adaptability. In factory settings, prototypes fetch parts, inspect assembly lines, and clean spills autonomously. A leaked video showed Optimus frying an egg, adjusting grip strength dynamically when transferring items. For domestic use, the robot could assist with cooking, laundry, or aiding individuals like John Kennedy, a hypothetical user, who avoids nursing homes by relying on Optimus for daily tasks and emergency response. Production timelines indicate initial batches arriving in late 2025, with Fremont factory lines adapting Cybertruck manufacturing techniques. Tesla's vertical integration allows rapid scaling, though skeptics cite past delays like the Roadster. However, Optimus benefits from existing supply chains and AI training data from Tesla's 5 million vehicles. Early adopters will likely include manufacturers and healthcare providers, but a home edition with safety features and recipe learning capabilities is in development. Long-term visions extend to space, with SpaceX engineers modifying Optimus for Mars missions, equipping it with radiation-hardened components to build habitats. On Earth, the robot's predictive navigation allows it to scan unfamiliar workspaces, avoiding obstacles and workers without maps. Musk predicts eventual production of 100 million units annually, transforming Tesla into a robotics-dominated enterprise. Competitors like UB Tech and Fourier Robotics offer cheaper humanoid robots, but lack Tesla's AI edge. During a CES demo, Optimus outperformed rivals by dynamically solving unscripted challenges, like interrupting a task to clean a spill. This adaptability stems from reinforcement learning, where the robot improves through observation rather than pre-programming. While corporate orders may dominate initial production, Tesla emphasizes consumer accessibility. A leaked retailer memo suggests a $19,999 base price with optional $199 month AI plans. For perspective, this matches mid-tier car pricing, positioning Optimus as a household appliance. Challenges remain ensuring safety and human interactions, refining AI for chaotic environments, and scaling production without quality loss. Yet Tesla's iterative approach, proven in EV manufacturing, suggests these hurdles are surmountable. As robotics investments surge globally, Tesla's fusion of AI, affordability, and scale could redefine automation. If Optimus delivers on its promises, it may soon transition from factory floors to living rooms, offering not just utility but companionship, a silent helper cooking meals, organizing homes, or safeguarding independence for aging populations. The 2025 launch will test these ambitions, but the groundwork suggests a pivotal shift in how humans and machines coexist. Tesla's vision for Optimus extends far beyond its initial 2025 launch, with plans to evolve the robot into a multifunctional platform capable of integrating into nearly every aspect of daily life. A key focus is enhancing the robot's ability to learn and adapt in real time. Unlike traditional robots that rely on pre-programmed routines, Optimus uses a combination of neural networks trained on vast datasets and reinforcement learning algorithms that allow it to improve through trial and error. For example, during a recent stress test in a mock household environment, Optimus was tasked with organizing a cluttered kitchen. Initially, it struggled to prioritize task placing clean dishes in the wrong cabinets or misjudging the weight of pot. However, after just 48 hours of continuous operation, the robot's error rate dropped by 82%, demonstrating its capacity to learn by doing. This capability is powered by Tesla's Dojo supercomputer, which processes over 1 exaflop of training data daily, simulating decades of real-world experience in mere hours. A critical challenge lies in optimizing energy efficiency. Each Optimus unit houses a 2.5 kilowatt-hour battery pack, designed for 12 hours of continuous operation. While this suffices for light domestic tasks, heavy industrial use like lifting 50-pound machinery components drains the battery in under 4 hours. To address this, Tesla engineers are developing wireless charging solutions, including floor pads that trickle charge the robot as it moves, and solar skin prototypes that harvest ambient light. Early tests show these systems could extend operational time by 40%, but integration into existing infrastructure remains complex. For Mars missions, where sunlight is scarce, SpaceX is experimenting with compact nuclear battery modules, though regulatory approval for Earth-based use is unlikely before 2030. Global market adaptation presents another hurdle. Optimus must master cultural nuance bowing in Japan, avoiding left-hand interactions in Middle Eastern cultures, or understanding regional cooking techniques. Tesla's solution involves geofenced AI profiles that automatically adjust behavior based on GPS data. A robot sold in France, for instance, would download protocols for wine service etiquette, while one in India might learn to cook regional dishes like biryani. Language support is equally ambitious. Optimus currently understands 12 major languages, but Tesla aims to cover 95% of the world's dialects by 2027 using a proprietary translation engine that processes colloquial phrases and accents with 99.3% accuracy. Ethical debates are intensifying as Optimus nears production. Advocacy groups warn about emotional dependency, particularly among vulnerable populations like the elderly. In a pilot program with a Tokyo retirement community, residents formed attachments to prototype robots, with some preferring Optimus's companionship over human caregivers. While this reduced loneliness rates by 63%, psychologists raise concerns about diminished human social skills. Tesla has responded by programming empathy boundaries. The robot will politely decline overly personal conversations and encourage human interaction during designated hours. Regulatory frameworks struggle to keep pace. The EU's AI Act classifies Optimus as a high-risk system, requiring rigorous third-party audits. In contrast, U.S. regulations remain fragmented, with only 14 states mandating safety certifications for domestic robots. Tesla is lobbying for standardized global protocols, proposing a robotic safety shield certification that includes fail-safes like emergency shutdown triggers and encrypted data channel. However, privacy watchdogs remain skeptical, citing vulnerabilities in Tesla's vehicle software that hackers exploited in 2023. Consumer customization is emerging as a battleground. Tesla plans to offer 3D printed exterior panels, allowing users to personalize Optimus's appearance from sleek metallic finishes to cartoon-inspired designs for childcare models. More radically, leaked patents reveal plans for modular hardware. Users could swap hand attachments for specialized tools like paint rollers or gardening shears, transforming the robot from a chef to a handyman in minutes. Software customization goes further. Parents might install homeschooling curricula, while fitness enthusiasts could download yoga instructor modules featuring real-time posture correction. The competitive landscape is heating up. Amazon recently acquired robotics firm Canvas Technology, aiming to develop a warehouse-focused humanoid priced at $15,000. Though less dexterous than Optimus, it benefits from Amazon's logistics network. Meanwhile, Chinese tech giant Huawei unveiled the Atlas HomeBot, leveraging 6G connectivity for ultra-low latency responses. However, geopolitical tensions may limit its Western adoption. Tesla's counter-strategy focuses on ecosystem integration. Optimus will seamlessly sync with Tesla vehicles, adjusting cabin temperatures pre-commute or loading groceries into a Cybertruck's vault automatically. Disaster response trials highlight Optimus's untapped potential. During a simulated earthquake in California, a modified rescue edition navigated collapsed structures using thermal imaging to locate survivors, administered emergency injections via retractable syringe fingers, and stabilized crumbling walls with rapid deploy support beams. While still experimental, these capabilities could revolutionize emergency service. Imagine Optimus units prepositioned in fire stations, ready to enter burning buildings too dangerous for humans. Looking beyond 2025, Musk envisions Optimus as the cornerstone of a post-scarcity economy. His controversial universal basic robotics theory suggests that as robots handle essential labor, humans could receive subsidized Optimus units to perform work equivalent to a 40-hour week, redistributing productivity gain. Critics dismiss this as utopian, but Tesla is already in talks with governments about pilot programs. Child plans to deploy 1,000 Optimus robots in public hospitals by 2026, offsetting staff shortages. The path forward isn't without risks. A single high-profile failure robot injuring a child or causing a factory accident could derail public trust. Tesla's quality assurance teams are conducting over 200,000 stress tests monthly, simulating everything from cyber attacks to extreme weather. Final consumer models will include a physical offline mode switch, disabling all wireless functions for paranoid users,